So I'm going to show you what I expect you to do whenever you complete a Commonlit assignment for me. Even if you've done Commonlit before, I have certain expectations. And one of those is that you annotate the text that you read. You have to annotate at least 10 times if you want full credit for this assignment. So I am going to annotate this first paragraph. So in order to annotate, you simply highlight. And when you do, this pops up and you can choose whatever color you would like. And then to add a note, which you have to add a note, you are going to highlight it again and then hit the T button for text. So what do you annotate? I would like you to find places where the author has used some kind of writing skill, writing tool to develop a deeper level of meaning. And it won't always be this large of a piece of text, but you find a piece of text. It can be figurative language that you find. You can see something about a character. You can see something about setting, but you have to actually see how whatever you highlight is bringing important meaning to the story. And so what you put in the edit note, what you put here in the annotation note, is what is important about this section that you highlighted. So I have finished writing my explanation about what I think is important about what I highlighted right here. When you're finished, you click done. So again, as you're reading, it's important to annotate important things you see. This is analyzing the text. The second thing that everyone has to do is notice that you cannot read the story right here. They stop you with this Q1. You have to answer these reading questions that will help you to make sure that as you're reading the story, you are understanding what you're reading. So when you get to a Q and a number, you have to answer this guided question over here. And if you answer the wrong one, it will not let you continue. You try to get the right question, and when you do, it says, "Great work, continue reading." Notice it opens up more for you to read. The other thing that I want to make sure you understand about doing Commonlit for me is these little blue squares with a number. Anytime there's a vocabulary word that they think you might not quite understand, there's this little notation, and if you click on it, it'll tell you what the word means. So please, by all means, open those up and look at the meaning of words that you might not understand. Once you've finished all of the reading questions, you'll have this continue button and you need to push it. And then when you're ready, you need to begin your assessment. You will all answer the assessment questions. The one thing to be careful of is when it says part A, you know that the very next question will stem from this question as well. So it's important that you really think about the questions and the answers to each question so that you have a better chance of getting them correctly. Please look back at the text if you need to. Notice that once you answer each question, it says save and next. You need to push that button. When you are finished with all of the questions, there will be a submit button down here, and you need to be sure and submit, or it will not allow me to grade it.